Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to determine whether this fraction is a solution to this equation. This fraction is r equals negative 1/5, and the equation is 10r plus 5 equals negative 15r. So to do this, we are going to substitute what r equals into our equation. And every time we do this, we always put in a set of parentheses. This helps take care of a lot of negative errors that can happen. In this case, it's negative 1/5, and plugging that in may end up looking like a subtract 1/5 instead of multiplying by a negative. So we always put in parentheses. So here we have 10, and don't forget these parentheses. 10 and r was given to us as negative 1/5. So we substitute it in. Plus 5 equals negative 15. And we have these parentheses to show us r is negative 1/5. All right, so on the left-hand side, if it helps to put 10 over 1 so that you can see it has a numerator and a denominator, you can do that. Okay, so I look at these now that I'm multiplying 10 over 1 times negative 1/2, and I'm doing this first because the order of operations tells me I need to multiply before I add. And just to speed things up a little bit, I always check to see if I can simplify before I multiply. And here, 5 and 10 can both be divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. It's a nice kind of shortcut to give us smaller numbers right away. Nothing else simplifies, so I can just multiply my numerators and my denominators. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. 1 times 1 is 1, and I can even go further by doing negative 2 divided by 1 is negative 2. And don't forget, we still have a plus 5 here. Now negative 2 plus 5 gives me positive 3. Now let's go ahead and work on the right-hand side. Here I have negative 15 times negative 5. Again, if you need to put this over a 1 so that you can see a numerator and denominator, that works great. And I'm going to simplify before I multiply the numerator to numerator to see if I can get smaller numbers right away. It's a nice shortcut. Here I see 15 and 5 can both be divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So I have negative 3 times negative 1, which gives me positive 3. And then I have 1 times 1, which is 1. 3 divided by 1 is 3, and 3 does in fact equal 3. Now this is not the answer, it's just a way of checking that yes, indeed, r does equal negative 1/5, and it is a solution to our equation. So the answer is yes, it is a solution.